HCF, finding HCF, highest common factor और फैक्टराइजेशन है मदद अच्छा हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर मालूम करने की factorization almost ma 4.1 or 4.2 or shiri servanta. So right now in front of us there is a question that is x power 6 plus 64. We are going to write this question is aq plus bq form. So we can write x square power 3 plus 4 power 3 because 4 multiplied by 4 it comes 64. Now aq plus bq formula we already know, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. तो इसके मुताबिक मैं इशारा ओपन करना कहाँ एक मेरा ए में एक्स स्क्वायर है और बी में 4 है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 एंड इंटू ए स्क्वायर बजा एक्स ए स्क्वायर स्क्वायर माइनस ए एक्स स्क्वायर एंड बी एस 4 प्लस 4 स्क्वायर बजा बी स्क्वायर. After that we are going to write x square plus 4 same, and x square square it means 4 multiplying x square and 4 it comes 4x square and 4 square it comes 16. तो ये फैक्टराइज माविदा कोती एक एक्सप्रेशन है. आफ्टर दैट मादुमी फैक्टराइजूरा एक्सप्रेशन किया x पावर 4 प्लस 7x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x. इट इज़ ट्राइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन से टर्म ट्राइनोमियल मिड टर्म ब्रेक के फार्मूले मुताबिक शर्माल कनम कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x पावर 4 1 and constant is 12. Multiplying 1 and 12 it comes 12, and 3 and 4 12 can come 3 plus 4 7. We can break 7 into 3x square plus 4x square. 4x power 4 are same लिखा बाकी 7x square are 3x square plus 4x square plus 12. After that we see what is common between 4x square 4x power 4 x power 4 plus 3x square. Here we can see x square is common and x square plus 3 left, and second we can see 4 is common because 4 can catch 4 and 4 can catch 12, so x square plus 3 left. Brackets are same, so the common bracket will be taking is a common again, so it comes x square plus 3, and what is left here right now, that is x square plus 4. We can write it again to highlight it. माशर दोबारा लिखन तक ये हाईलाइट भी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 नुमा ये एक्सप्रेशन फैक्टर हो वस्ते एक्सप्रेशन फैक्टर हो. If you see the factor of both expression x square plus 4 and x square plus 4 it looks common, so our HCF is मेरा HCF is x square plus 4 वो बस हमारा के फैक्टर कॉमन है तो हम HCF be highest common factor. Similarly we are going to find question number that was 5. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Exercise 4.3 my question number 6 right now we are going to solve, that is written already 2x cube plus 2 into 2x square plus x plus 4. First of all we are going to take 2x cube plus 2. मायदा ये कहते हैं कि 2 common है तो मस्त को 2 are common zero. We took 2 is a common, so x cube plus 2 can catch 2 one time plus 1 left. Now we are going to write x cube plus 1 as a cube plus b cube. We know 1 we can be written as a 1 power 3 because if you multiply 1 thrice 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 again 1 can come. Now we have the formula that is x a cube plus b cube. We already know how to open a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The same way we are going to open the formula is equal to 2 into x is our a and 1 is our b. Make x में a है और 1 में b है तो हमारे लिखा x plus 1 और पता x square minus x into 1 in plus 1 square. So the according to formula we have opened this formula. In the last we can write 2 into x plus 1 and x square is x square and x multiply 1 just minus x can come, 1 square is again 1. Second expression now we are writing, so 2x square plus x plus 4 वी फैक्टराइज ट्राइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन मार मेट टर्म ब्रेक करने की तो मैं कहता 2 और 4 मल्टीप्लाई 8 कहती हूँ 2 और 4 प्लस करना मैं कह 6 कहती हूँ तो 6 में चोम ब्रेक को 2x और 4x से जरिया तो 2x और 4x सारा अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करना 8 और प्लस करना 6 के तो 6 हमारा ब्रेक करनी 6 से जाएगा मतलब कितना 2x स्क्वायर मेक द सेम ही in place of 6 we write 2x plus 4x and 4 is already there. Now we are going to take common between two terms. We can see 2x square 2x is common and we are left x plus and 2x can catch 2x one time. Similarly here we can see 4 is common and 4 can catch x and one time. Further x plus 1 into taking common x plus 1 2x plus 4 left. Here we can see one thing 2x plus 4 and 2x plus 4 2 is common, so again we can take out 2 is a common and 2 into x plus 1 is same as it is written before. Now in place of 2x we write only x because 2 can catch 2 one time, and in place of 4 we are writing 2 because 2 can catch 4 two times. These are the factor. Now these factors and previous expression factors will be compared. We see the common factors, that is 2 and x plus 1. Hence HCF will be the product of these common factor, that is 2 into x plus 1. 2 into x plus 1 वजह में HCF बुत्ते और हम चाहिए सवाल खत्म बु. After this we are going to start next question. Next question we have written, that is question number 8. Question number 7 we left because we will be solving in next lecture question number 7. That question is very big. So this question y square minus 36 can be written into a square minus b square form, because 36 can be written as a 6 square, and we know that a square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Now in place of y square minus 6 square we can write a plus b, it means y plus 6 into y minus 6. Just this is the factor of y square minus 36. And second expression we have y square minus 10y plus 24, and this is a trinomial expression, so we are going to break midterm, that is 24. We know 4 multiplied by 6 24 can come, and remember 4 plus 6 also 10 can come. Question number 7 मा बजम दे में लेक्चर चूँकि question number 7 सो लंबा है लिंथिंग क्वेश्चन है वास्ता मा यार दे में लेक्चर वास्ता इरको तो यदा मिक्स बेकन वो एडियो साक मज़न बीते. So this is going on right now. Y is, we written y square minus in place of minus 10y minus 4y minus 6y plus 24. Midterm is broken into two parts, minus 4y minus 6y. Now y is common, y minus 4 left. Second place we can say 6 can catch 6 and 6 can catch 24. Due to this minus, that plus becomes minus, so it comes y minus 4. Further we can say y minus 4 is coming in both brackets, so we are going to take y minus 4 as a common, y minus 6 left. Now we are looking in दो एक्सप्रेशन हम अचानक के कुछ हम कॉमन है, मैं दो एक्सप्रेशन तो का y minus 6 में क्या कॉमन है, तो this is why highest common factor or HCF will be y minus 6. मैं क्या highest common factor बजा 6 bu. Question number 8 bu और नुमा question number इसे बाद 9 शुरू करना. And there are small question, almost factorization हमारे के माँ ये solve को तक. Question number 9, if you see, that is y cube minus 8. It looks that it is a cube minus b cube formula. Likewise, because 8 can be written as a 2 cube. Now y we kept as a cube, and 8 we can make it 2 cube, because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 8 can come. तो 8 जगह मैं लिखित का ना 2a power 3 मैं कह रहा हूँ a cube minus b cube. a cube minus b cube फार्मूला मैं ऑलरेडी बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो हमारा तकरीबन मौका मिले फुल याद है कि a cube minus b cube बराबर है a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in place of y is our a and 2 is our b, so we can write y minus 2 into y square, it means our a square, plus ab, it means y into 2, y into 2, and plus b square, it means 2 square. इसके बाद मोती लास्ट स्टेप लिखा y minus 2, y square means y square comes y multiplied by 2, we can write plus 2y. After that 2 square means 4. This is factorize. Now we are going to take the second terms, y square minus 7y plus 10. Very easy to factorize this trinomial expression. मैं वास्तव में इन trinomial expression में बार बार मशा प्रैक्टिस करना मैं वास्तव almost आसान है. y square कोएफिशिएंट 1 ही और plus 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10 कहते हैं. So 2 multiplied by 5, we know 10 can come, and 2 plus 5 7. 7 can be splitted into two parts, that is 2 and 5. So midterm break we can easily understand, that is minus 7y can be written as 2y and 5y, as 7 is coming with sign minus, that's why we put 2 and 5, minus 2y minus 5y with minus sign we have to write. After that we can see y is common between y square minus 2y, y minus 2 left. Further we can see minus 5 is common between 5y and plus 10, so y minus 2 left here also. And again if we see the bracket and these brackets, y minus 2 is common, so y minus 2 will be written, taken common, and what is left, y minus 5. नुमा बोझे एक्सप्रेशन इफेक्टर और जल्ले एक्सप्रेशन इफेक्टर मचारं कि को जामी कि कामन हिंदू ने तो का मौजूद ही अमा में HCF को शक बिकते easily we can see that is highest common factor. अगर देखी बुत्ती को माँ भी ज़रूरत है तो नामी y minus 2 है, तो इधर में करें just y minus 2 में highest common factor बुत्ती. Now we reach to question number 10. So question number 10 we are going to solve, that is m cube minus n square, m square minus n square. First of all we are going to take this one. ये क्लियर ही में करा कि ये स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर है फार्मूला है, तो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर मतलब कितना ना ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. और ई वेक्टर मतलब यकीन लेना को ख़त्म हो. नाउ सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन सी m power 4 minus n power 4. Again we are going to make this one as a square minus b square. M power 4 we can write m square square, n power 4 we can write n square square. So n square square is not shown, actually this is n square square, remember. And then we can write it m square plus n square, because a plus b, and n is m square minus n square a minus b. बस इशरबी माँ a plus b a minus b. बोले फदा मगिंदा के m square minus n square के अगेन पैदा की e a square plus b square है फॉर्म है, तो शर्मा ले कित कुत का नाम again m plus n and m minus n बस हम आयदा फदा a square minus b square अप्लाई को उनमें सेम ही एक्सप्रेशन मारता के m power 6 minus n power 6. We are going to make this one is a square minus b square, so we can write m power 6 m cube square minus n cube square. How it is in a square minus b square form, we easily can write a plus b a minus b. So m cube plus n cube or power 3 into m cube minus n cube, or m power 3 minus n power 3. Now we got two formulas of a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. We already know this formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to what, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. हमें बड़ा हमारा ये भी मालूम है कि a पावर 3 माइनस b पावर 3 या a क्यू माइनस b क्यू छः बराबर हैं, ये बराबर हैं a माइनस b इंटू a स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस b square. Now we are using this formula and taking the expression further, that m cube plus n cube can be written m plus n and m square minus mn plus n square. It means we are malekita a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And similarly we can write m cube minus n cube. Also we can expand. There is very less space, but we are trying to manage it somehow. M minus n, now m square plus mn plus n square. After writing this one, mabza m minus n, a square plus ab plus b square likita, the last step we are writing, that is m plus n and m minus n. We can see we will be writing together them, m minus n. After that we have m square minus mn. Now we can write m square minus mn, n plus n square. And similarly we have also another expression, that is m square plus mn plus n square. पता मैं expression लिखा और मैं ओवरऑल एक्सप्रेशन दोनों सेम एक्सप्रेशन तो कम आचारण किया कुजा में क्या कॉमन है, तो शुरुआत है मिडल है और लास्ट है का मानो इधर कॉमन चार गए. वी आर लुकिंग कॉमन व्हाट दोस फैक्टर्स और factors are common. Now m plus n, m minus n, we can see among these three expression, m plus n and m minus n, these two factors are common. So HCF or highest common factor will be m plus n into m minus n. And remember, this is a plus b, a minus b form. This can be written also a square minus b square form. And finally, last we can write m square minus n square.